Okay, good day guys, this is Family of Zolas. Please subscribe to this channel and always comment, like and share. So at least that is what you are going to be doing for me, for me giving you this value, because getting a Facebook course right now is about 20-30k or so. So I'm going to be showing you how to run Facebook ad, because for that your small businesses and all stuff you need Facebook ad. You need to show your stuff to a lot of people so you can get what you are get the best out of what you are actually doing. Because as an internet marketer or graphic designer, you need to know how to run Facebook ad, because as a graphic designer you need to know how to run ad to get people to your DM and get them to render your service, and you get what you are looking for. So that is it. I'm going to be jumping into the video right now, showing you guys how you can run this ad, and knowing how to run it is another thing, and putting it to test is another kind of something. So right now you might have heard about it, you might have been doing it yourself. It's not actually going well. So I'm going to show you mine. Yeah, I'm going to show you, like, I'm going to do everything for real. I'm not just going to give you direction. I'm going to show you and still give you the results that you are looking for. So without further discussion, just you can see Play Store right here. Just go to your Play Store. Okay, so as you can see, just search for Facebook ad. So as you can see, this is the app right here. This is the app that we are going to be using. Yeah, this is the app. I already have it installed. Yeah, that's why it's showing update, or I should update it. So whenever you want to uh run ad, this is what you are going to use. So without further discussion, let me show you how you can set up this process. And before then, let me show you an ad I just started yesterday. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. I'm just running a page campaign for one of my pages, because I have multiple pages. So I'm just running a page campaign. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, this is the app meta ad. So I'm going to click on it right now. So if I click on it, you're going to see the ad I just launched yesterday. So the ad is kind of doing well, because Facebook is not really a good an easy something. So as you can see, I started running this ad yesterday, and it already has 60 page likes. The ad was approved yesterday, and it already had 60 page likes. And though I was running it for a very low amount, just trying to, because of this video tutorial, I'm just trying to set up everything so you can see. But I'm going to still show you how you can set it up like this. But right now it's kind of high. I don't The price does not actually stays one place, it goes up and down. So as you can see, I just it's just for this video tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I set this up. I'm going to show you every single step I took in setting it up. So without further discussion, let me start showing you the practical aspect of how I did this, because most people will just show you without they are actually launching the ad. So as you can see, it is active. So this ad is currently running right now. It was approved yesterday, and it got 60 page likes, and it was just an engagement campaign. People has just been engaging on the page, commenting and all stuff. So I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay guys, so Let me show you how we are going to run this stuff. But please take note, I'm not going to finish cover everything in um this one video, so I'm going to split it. I'm not going to cover every single thing because it will be too long, and it's not going to be fit. So and also the browser, on how to do everything on your browser. So you are going to choose which one you prefer the most, because most people like running from the app because it's easy, while some like running from the browser. So as you can see, just tap on this plus icon, click on it, then it's going to bring you to this interface. So as you can see, it says post engagement. So you can see right here, post engagement, video views, um website traffic, reach, and message, page likes. So as you can see, all this stuff right here are the different section that Facebook offers you to run your ad. So as you can see, all this stuff. So this post engagement, just like the one I did, that is post engagement. So video views is for you to have a lot of views on your video and lots more. And website traffic is for you to actually bring people to your website. Yeah, for them to come to your website and view your website, or see what you are actually doing on your website. While messages is for you to get messages maybe on WhatsApp or your messenger. While page likes, like the one I run, is just a normal page like, when people will be liking your page. So I'm going to show you everything one after the other, how to run this stuff. So I'll be starting from post engagement, because each and all this stuff, they have different way of setting them up. So I'm going to click on this post engagement, just allow it to load up, and you can see I have different posts on most of my page right here. So you can just if you don't have anything, just click on create post, just click on the create post, then you can select your image right here, select your image, then add body text. So you can add anything what you are going to do, because your write up, you need to have your write up, please. You need to have your write up, like everything already set, your write up, your image, and every single stuff. And your image, please, your image should be at least 600 times 600 pixels. That is what you want to use. That is the kind of image, and I think they still accept other type of image, but that is the one I use personally. Then just go to select image, going to bring it to your file, then you select the type of image you want. Then this text, you're just going to add text. So let me just do the practical aspect so you see. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. This is just because if I want to run an ad, I want to use this image, but I'm just using it for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so we got the image we want to use. I don't want to stress myself because I have a lot of image. So just add your text, you have everything like what you want to do. Oh, very sorry about that. Select your image, click on the image you want to use, then you add your text. Let's see, I use this text, and you click. This is just a random text I actually use on my post on one of my sites. So as you can see, it has different categories. A special ad category, like your page, and lots more. So it's actually asking you right here that who should like your see your ad, who should see your ad. So you just click on show more. Do you want people who like your page to see your ad, or you want people who engage with your page to see your ad, or people who engage with your ad or post? So maybe if you actually want people on your page to see your ad, you can click anyone that work for you best. So just click on this, then you can edit the audience and all stuff. But this is just a page like an engagement post. We are not actually going deep. So if you are running an engagement post for a specific something, that is when I'm going to show you everything in the browser when we are using the browser feature. So this video, I don't want it to be too long. Then you can create your audience, you can update audience, the type of audience you need. You just tell Facebook, they are going to find it for you. So no problem about that. Click on this icon that says next. Click on it. It's going to bring you to the final step, and you can see where you are going to set your daily budget, lifetime, all this stuff, your schedule, and a lot more. So, and I'm still going to teach you how to add fund to your Facebook account, how to add fund, but you are going to leave it on daily budget. So if you actually want your daily budget to be like this, let's see. Okay, this will be enough for page like for a day, and run ad constantly starts now. Later, let's yeah, it's okay like that. And you will spend no more than 6,965 naira NGN per week. So if you actually want to run this ad for a week, it's going to be this amount. So it's going to be this amount. Okay, we don't actually do all this stuff. So that is it. Then just click on this button that says just click on it. Then give it some time. Okay, it has loaded. So it just you are going to see what you, because when you check here, it's actually telling you review order. So you can see post engagement right here. It says post engagement. You can see it right here. Sorry about that. You can see the post engagement. It says post engagement message reach. So we are actually going for the post engagement. So this is your ad. Everything you just you did, increase the minimum age of your audience or remove all targeted option apart from age, gender, and location. So as you can see, they're actually telling you right here to your age, because when you are using targeted audience, you need to take care of all this stuff. These are stuff you need to take care of. So you are going to go to the audience right now. So just click on edit audience. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here is the age. You can see right here is the age. So we want people from 21 to let's see, yeah, 45 to see our ad. Then gender, just leave it at all. But if you are going for detailed targeting, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to run detailed targeting. Then just click on okay. Then we are already done with this. Then click on the check mark icon. So as you can see, your ad is like almost ready. It's like almost ready. So what you just need to do right now is to add font, then you place your ad, because before you actually do this stuff, you need to add font to your account. So I'm going to be showing you in the next video tutorial how to add font to your account. In Nigeria, you can use your either your MasterCard or your Visa card. If you don't have a MasterCard or Visa card, comment below that I don't have MasterCard or Visa card. I'm going to send you the link of an app which you can download for free, and they are going to give you a free MasterCard or Visa card for you to use and actually make this um deposit very easy. So this is like very easy. So guys, all you just need to do once you add the font is to just click on place order, and immediately your order will be placed. And Facebook is going to review your ad. They are going to review it. After they review the ad, then you are going to get approval from Facebook. Once you get the approval, as simple as that, your ad will start running. So as you can see, your that's actually okay. You can actually take your time and go through the advertising policy and all stuff. So as you can see, there are not two right here. There are not two, and one is this one is going to be in review. That's going to be in review. Once Facebook actually approve this ad, is going to start running immediately. They approve the ad, and you need to take care of your time range. But I'm going to be showing you all these things in your next video. This is just an ordinary post engagement campaign. But when you are running a lead generation ad, you need to be very careful, because that is where you spend most of the money and lots of stuff. So as you can see, this ad is actually still running. It's actually got to 61 page like, and it was 60 when I came, so it's actually still running. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know how you need to run it in the next video tutorial. So please subscribe and comment below so I know how to help you out, because this is what I do. I always try my best to help as much people as I can. Praying to the Lord, praying for my soul now, please.